everyone, and today we will talk about best trading books all of the time. And the first is Market Wizards. This book contains interviews with successful traders, and it's one of the most recommended books in the trading business. Some of the interviews share how a trade who turned 30,000 into 80 millions. The hedge fund manager whose average 30% returns every year for the past 21 years in the T-bond futures trader who parlayed 25,000 into 2 million. What I like about this book? The interview contains legendary traders like Apollo Tudor Jones and others. And what I don't like about it, there's nothing I can think of. Who is this book for? I highly recommend this book to anyone interested in trading. However, if you're brand new to trading, you may not enjoy this book as it requires a basic understanding of technical terms. The new Market Wizards. This is follow-up to the earlier Market Wizards book and is written in the same format. The only difference is this book focused on American traders, whereas the earlier book has trades from all around the world. Nonetheless, the value it provides is invaluable. What I like about this, see above, and what I don't like about it, see above too. Pit Bulls, Lessons from Wall Street, a Champion Day Trader. This book is entertainingly read. It shares the ups and downs of Martin Schwartz, who started off as a fundamental analysis but couldn't find success with that approach. Then he moved into technical analysis, where he had his breakthroughs, making 1.8 million in his first 2 years of trading. Eventually, he became a champion trader whose nerves of steel and killer instinct earned him the well-deserved name Pitbull. What I like about this book is entertaining to read and you'll get a few laughs along the way. And what I don't like, there's nothing I can think of. Who is this book for? If you're looking for a good trading story, there is a book is for you, as it's early to read and very entertaining. But if you're looking for specific trading strategies and techniques, then this book isn't for you because it's more a biography than a how-to book. Reminiscence of a stock operator. If you ask a successful trader which is one book he'll recommend, chances are that it is that book. That's just how good it is. So what is this book about? Well, it is a biography of Jesse Livermore, possibly the most famous trader of all time, and how he speculated the financial markets. The best part, as you read this book over again, you learn new things that didn't occur to you before. And what I like about this book, I can tell to the experience of Jesse Livermore, as it's something many traders will go through. And the trading lessons you learn are timeless and would make sense for most traders. But the minus is that I took a while to finish reading the first time, as some of the technical terms were hard to grasp at the start. Another is the best how to make money in stocks, a winning system in good times and bad. What I like about this book, the canceling system is relatively easy to understand, even for those with little fundamental analysis background. And a minus is that as you read the book, you will get a soft sell to describe to the investor's business daily service, although the charts presented are relatively small and hard to see. Another book is Trade Like a Stock Market Wizard, How to Achieve Super Performance in Stock in Any Market. In this book, time-tested trading system, after speak about the techniques he used. And what I like about this book, a straightforward approach explaining what he looks for when he's trading stocks. And what I don't like about it, there's nothing I can think of, but more trading examples would be nice. Who is this book for? If you want to learn how to trade stocks using the both technical and fundamental analysis, then this book is for you. Another book is Stocks on the Move, Beating the Market with Hedge Fund Momentum Strategies. On average, the stock market returns 5-6% a year, but for that kind of returns, you need to swallow the occasional drawdown of 50% or more. So, is there a better way to trade with lower risk and higher returns? You bet. Because in this book, author will show you how to do it step by step, explaining the full details of his momentum trading strategy. And what I especially like about this book, that author work is he uses statistical evidence and backstage results to back up his claim, which is something rare in this industry. The ultimate guide to trend following. I'm obviously biased since I wrote this trading grid. The idea behind it is it explains what trend following is about without leaving you confused by the technical jargon out there. And I've included a simple trend following strategy that lets you profit in bull and bear markets. Trend following, learn to make millions in up or down markets. This is the first book that got me started on trend following. It explains the concept of what trend following is about and how hedge funds use this approach to make their millions. Plus, it includes the track records of these hedge funds, which provides the validity of trend following. What I like about that book, it explains the trend following methodology backed by real evidence based on actual results. And the minus is there's no exact strategy to get you started, and you must ditch further from other books. The Complete Thorough Trader, How 23 Novice Investors Become Overnight Millionaires. A true story of how a group of random people is selected for a special trading program. They had a 2-week crash course on trading and are left on their own afterward. The result is they made millions. And this book reveals the story behind it, what they did, and the trading strategy they used. Another book is Following the Trend, Diversified Managed Futures Trading. This is first book Andreas Klenov wrote, which explains how a simple trading strategy can beat a buy and hold approach consistently. He reveals to you the full detail of his trading strategy, along with his backstated results. Who is this book for traders who want to get started on trend following, and if you're looking a day or a week trader, then this isn't for you. The Unlimited Grid to Price Action Trading. This is the second book I wrote that teaches you to essential of price action trading, because you don't need to know every technical indicator, chart pattern, candlestick pattern to be a consistently profitable trader. And the technical analysis of the financial markets, a comprehensive guide to trading methods and application. The book is written in a textbook style, covering the essential of technical analysis like chart patterns, candlesticks, and other. You will be equipped with necessary skills to read a chart and to identify patterns on it. And the act and science of technical analysis, market structure, price action, and trading strategies. This book takes on the traditional aspect of technical analysis and gives it a whole new spin by backing it up with statistics. Stan Weinster's Secrets for Profiting in Bull and Bear Markets. This book is written by Stan Weinster in back 1988, but don't let this eventually unknown book fool you. It's packed with practical trading knowledge that you can apply to any markets or time frame you're trading. I've been adopted some of the concepts till this day.